Experience tranquility reimagined. The floating villas offer a sanctuary of modern design and serene waterfront living.
Nestled in the heart of Paris, this modern architectural masterpiece blends classical elements with contemporary design.
Nestled in the hills, the Carter estate redefines luxury living. Every detail meticulously crafted. As dusk settles, the interplay of light and shadow transforms the facade, highlighting its unique curvature and gold accents. Welcome to the future of architecture. A seamless blend of glass, light, and water. This is the solarpunk vision realized. A city designed for ecological balance, where green spaces and advanced architecture merge seamlessly. Designed by leading bio-architects, this stunning property redefines luxury living in harmony with nature. Welcome to a new standard of living, where visionary design meets unparalleled serenity.
We need to finalize the proposal before the market opens tomorrow.
I agree. The New York team is waiting on our input.
Designed to harmonize with the surrounding landscape, the structure utilizes natural light and flowing geometry to create a truly unique living experience.
The Apex Center redefines urban living with its seamless integration of nature and futuristic design. Featuring sweeping curves and floor-to-ceiling glass, this home seamlessly integrates with the lush tropical landscape. Welcome to luxury living redefined. This stunning modern masterpiece awaits.
Here, architectural innovation meets the tranquility of the forest. The Apex residence offers.
As dusk settles, the integrated lighting awakens the structure, highlighting its clean lines and dramatic form.
As dusk settles, the intelligent lighting system illuminates the dramatic curves of this modern sanctuary. We stand at the precipice of a new beginning. This structure represents our commitment to innovation and excellence.
The Obsidian House represents a new era in modern architecture, blending seamlessly with the rugged landscape.
As twilight descends, the mansion's flowing architecture illuminates the cliffside, a beacon of futuristic design.
Redefining luxury living on the coast. With architecture as stunning as the sunset views, this estate is truly one of a kind.
The Obsidian House represents a new era in modern architecture, blending seamlessly with the rugged landscape.
As twilight descends, the mansion's flowing architecture illuminates the cliffside, a beacon of futuristic design.
Redefining luxury living on the coast. With architecture as stunning as the sunset views, this estate is truly one of a kind. As dusk settles over the estate, the true beauty of the Sapphire Palace is revealed.
Welcome to the pinnacle of modern luxury living. This magnificent estate combines classical architecture with contemporary elegance.